If you're a premium member of the library, you have access to the exercise files used throughout this title. Inside the exercise files folder, you'll see a folder for each lesson that has examples for you to follow. I'll start each video with a copy of this folder on my desktop. I usually like to rename my folders. I'm going to call this one Bootstrap. And this folder will be open in my favorite text editor. Like with many of my projects, for more advanced users, there is a GitHub repository for this course available at this URL. It has the advantage of also having a copy of the files at the end of the video. In this project, there is only one file you need to worry about. It's this index.html document that we'll be editing in each one of the videos. If you open up that file in GitHub, you can switch to the different branches by clicking on this pop-up right here. So for example, 0203B would be chapter 2, movie 3 at the beginning of the video, and 0203E would be how the movie looked at the end of the video in chapter 2, movie 3. Unfortunately, this version won't include the images, but you'll notice that in the exercise files folder at the end of the folder, I have all the images I've used throughout this title in a separate folder. If you're a monthly member or an annual member, you don't have access to the exercise files, but you can follow along from scratch with your own assets.